How's it going? I'm Kebron, and we're back with a new video about artificial intelligence. Today, I bring you a very unique and pretty interesting video, where we will actually get to experiment together with how modern artificial intelligence can completely change our physical appearance. In this specific case, we are going to ask the AI to creatively transform us in 4 entirely different and fascinating ways. We'll have it turn us into a Pixar character, for example. Or, for instance, as if we were an anime character. We could also make it look like we're on the cover of a modern music video. Why not? And finally, as if we were a video game character. And I want you to tell me in the comments which of the 4 you liked the most. For this, today we're going to use Gemini. Gemini is an artificial intelligence that works really well, and for the photo in question, I'm going to use this one. It's a photo of me. It was just thrown in there, nothing particularly special at all, just to try and play around with the settings a little bit. So, if that sounds like a good plan to you, what I am going to do right now is simply drag the photo over here, and then let's see exactly how Gemini works and how it actually goes about creating us as a stylized Pixar character. Okay? Let's make it look like something really unique. A character from Pixar with a beautiful movie-like background. A nice movie backdrop. Let's see how it describes us. What image does it generate? What image does it show? Whether it goes for an Aladdin vibe or, I don't know, maybe an Up vibe? Let's see. Let's see what it does. Honestly, it's not that slow either, okay? I don't want to make any cuts on this first image because I want you to see that what it just created is really spectacular and very fast, okay? Very fast. Yeah, I'm saving it. I mean, I'm keeping it because I really like it. I really like it. A total character, like they're at the beach with the little palm trees. Amazing. Amazing. Now I'm going to ask it to make me look like an anime character. Okay? Anime character. Let's see now. Let's see what it creates. Like I said, I don't want to cut like look, because I want you to see the speed at which Gemini creates these images totally free. That has to be said. Look at that. How awesome. I mean, this is an absolutely amazing anime character. Okay? I'm going to save this one too. Amazing. I like it. I really like it, you know? I really like it. Which one do you like more? I have my preference. I have my preference right now. Okay? Out of these two, I have my preference. Let's keep going because we said we would do 4. So, we're definitely not going to be any less than that, right? Now, I want you to go ahead and make me exactly as if I were a high-definition video game character. Let's see what it creates at this moment. Let's see what it creates right now. And let's see if it makes us look better or worse. Or we'll see. Your photo customization, I've kept your pose, I've kept a futuristic style, and I've added futuristic elements like gloves. Hello? Hello, it looks just like it's straight out of a high-end video game, which is honestly super cool. Kebron's looks really incredibly handsome in this style. It's cool, right? What do you all think? I think it's top. I think this image is top. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to ask it to please make me feel like this is a sleek and modern music video cover featuring a professional design and vibrant visuals that are perfect for a contemporary artist's latest release. Let's see what it creates. Honestly, so far, I'm really liking it a lot. So let's see what it comes up with. Tell me in the comments which of the 4 you like the most. If you see that Gemini can make you a ton of amazing images for free, look, it says DJK, right? Electric Shaka, that's right. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments, okay? Like, as a DJ, as a video game character, as an anime character, or as a Pixar character. Honestly, if I give you my opinion, the one I like the most, and I'm going to download it too, is the Pixar one, Kebron's. I think this image it pulled out of nowhere is spectacular. As you can see, I hope you liked it, that you can make use of Gemini with these prompts, and that you give it a try, because it's completely free, and that's always a good thing for us. Gemini, in its photo creation version, is amazing. As you've seen, it can do whatever you want. I asked it for 4, I could have kept asking for more. And this is just incredible. Even just for fun, the results are spectacular. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, smash the like button, it really helps me out a lot. Let me know in the comments which of the 4 you like best. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Hey, I'm Kibron, and I'm here to serve you.